Your ideas don't fail because they're bad. They fail in the gap between thinking them and shipping them. And that gap has a name. It's not laziness, it's not a discipline problem. It's structural. Once you see the structure, you can fix it. Here's the architecture of why ideas die, and the ramp that gets them out. Open your Notes app, scroll. There it is, the graveyard. Dozens of ideas you were genuinely excited about that never became anything. And here's the real cost, the one nobody talks about. It's not the dead ideas, it's what they do to you. Every idea you start and don't ship teaches you quietly that you're someone who doesn't finish. So you start trusting yourself less. So you start fewer things. The unshipped pile doesn't just sit there, it compounds in the wrong direction. It makes the next idea less likely to live. Here's why it happens. You treat ideas as inspiration, a feeling that strikes, when you should treat them as inventory that needs a production line. Inspiration says, capture everything. So you do. You've got 400 captured ideas and 0 shipped ones, and you call that being creative. It isn't. Capture without a path isn't creativity. It's hoarding. The friction was never a shortage of ideas, or even a shortage of motivation. It's the missing path. Every idea you have walks into a system that has no exit. Of course they die. There's nowhere for them to go. So here's the rule that reorders it. An idea needs a path, not more enthusiasm. And the path comes before the idea. This is the mistake. You wait for the perfect idea, then try to invent a way to ship it from scratch every single time. Backwards. You build the ramp once. One repeatable route from idea to shipped. And then ideas don't each need their own custom rescue mission. They just ride the rail that already exists. The creative act isn't the spark. It's building the thing the spark rolls down. 3 moves to build the ramp. 1, define done before you start. Not work on it. Done. What does shipped actually look like? A published video, a sent email, a live page. If you can't name the finish line, you can't move toward it, and the idea wanders until it dies. 1 sentence. This is done when blank. Write it first. 2, build 1 ramp, not many. You don't need a custom process per idea. You need a single path every idea travels. Capture, shape, make, ship. The same rail, every time. Boring on purpose. Boring is what repeats. Here's where AI earns its place. Not having the idea, but moving it down the ramp. Shaping a rough capture into a draft, so the idea arrives at the next step already in motion. 3, lower the activation cost. Friction lives at the start. Write the script is too big. Your brain files it under later, and later is where ideas go to die. So shrink the first step until it's almost free. Not write the script. Write 1 sentence. What's this about? That's it. AI's real job here is to break the mountain into the first small step you'll actually take. Motion beats motivation. When there's a ramp, ideas stop dying. And you stop being someone who doesn't finish, because the system finishes for you. Ship rate isn't talent. It's a property of the path you built. That's ordered clarity applied to your own head. Build the ramp, your path from idea to shipped at Stackaible. Links below. Stop hoarding ideas. Start shipping them.